examples from different niche. 5 examples of MMO bonuses. Let's suppose you're offering a Make Money Online course. So here are examples of bonuses you can offer to sweeten the deal. A worksheet for picking a niche. An app that helps people budget for a business startup. A set of advertising templates. A report on generating traffic. Access to a product creation webinar. Now, here are examples from another niche. 3 examples of health-related bonuses. Let's suppose you are selling a book on training for a marathon. Now, here are 3 bonuses you could offer. A fitness tracking app. A checklist for preparing for a marathon. A buyer's guide for picking the right shoes. Here are examples from another niche. Examples of gardening-related bonuses. Let's suppose you're selling access to a membership site that details organic gardening methods. So you might offer a set of delayed bonuses to increase retention, including a pest identification video, a set of organic pest control recipes people can make at home, an organic gardening checklist, a plant disease identification infographic, a blueprint for building a raised flower bed. Here are examples from another niche. Examples of travel-related bonuses. Now let's suppose you created a video about touring France. Here are 5 examples of bonuses you might offer. A self-guided tour of the Louvre delivered via an MP3 file. A map of the best of the beaten path places to visit in the French countryside. A guide to the best restaurants and hotels in Paris. A report for tips and tricks for saving money on travel. A video introducing the history of the top tourist spots. So need more ideas? Then here are examples from another niche. 3 examples of relationship bonuses. Let's suppose you're selling a guide to strengthening one's marriage. You might offer a bonus such as a couple's workbook with exercises to strengthen their relationship. A report on how to improve communication between the partners. A video with case studies of how different couples strengthened their marriages.